Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace the two air filters, engine air filters for the W220 Mercedes S500 and S430 cars. You start by removing the front engine cover by lifting up the front and then kind of pulling towards you the cover. Then the right and left air ducts, pull those out. Okay. And then the rear engine cover is held at 5 spots, mass airflow sensor and the 4 mounting points that I'll show you later. The air filters you can purchase readily online from Amazon.com or other online retailers, FCPU. They're very good quality filters. You don't need to get the Mercedes model from the dealer. I think $18 or so for both filters. You want to put the rear cover on a cardboard so you don't damage the plastic. You'll find 4 screws with a T25 Torx bit. Turn the screws loose until they keep spinning. They don't come out. And you just move the cover and take out the filter. Now you want to do this, you want to check this depending on your driving conditions and the air quality of where you live. With every oil change, if you check the condition of the filters and you don't find them too dirty or dark, and if you have an air gun, just blow some air through throughout the filter and reuse them. But I would suggest that you replace the filters every 2 oil changes. At the most 3. Don't go beyond 3 oil changes. Here what you want to make sure is that the entirety of the filter, all 4 sides, are firmly in place inside the cover. You want to press them on all 4 corners first and then 4 sides all the way in. And then it's just a matter of realignment of the 2 pieces, screws to the holes, and then hand tightening the screws. These are plastic and you can easily break them if you over tighten them. So I didn't tape removing the other filter, but it's the exact same procedure. I'm only showing you how to put the second of 2 filters into the other compartment. And once again, you want to make sure that all 4 sides and 4 corners are inside the frame. So that's the mass airflow housing, and this neck goes there. You want to make sure that you align that first, and you'll see 4 mounting points, those rubber projections you see that I'm circling with yellow color. So there are 4 slots or grooves in the cover that align to those 4 mounting points. So you place the neck onto the mass airflow sensor housing and then kind of align the 4 mounting points, remove the air ducts out of the way, and then press them firmly, and you'll hear loud sounds with the front 2 slots. The back 2, you may not hear them clearly. You just want to make sure that with touch and feel that it's firmly, the cover is firmly in place onto the mass airflow sensor housing. And then you replace the 2 air ducts, and you want to align these also perfectly because the air ducts are kind of flimsy and thin. You don't want to bend them. And the front cover has 2 insertion points right around where the M of the Mercedes-Benz is on the rear cover, and then 3 dropping points that I'm circling in yellow. So you kind of place the 2 rear dropping points and then insert it into the 2 slots around the M of Mercedes-Benz logo. Press it forward and then down until you hear a sound. Kind of study it and you'll figure it out. Thank you, and talk to you soon.